What's up, you guys? It's Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Hope you're staying safe, staying corona-free, washing your hands, keeping your hands away from your face as much as you possibly can, because I know I can't help myself, and it's just driving me crazy. But look, I'm going to make this video short and sweet on cucumbers. It's so windy out here, and it's probably not safe. I have this big tree right here. But I'm going to do this video just for you guys. I just got home from work. I love you guys. It's a snowstorm out here, you guys. A windstorm. Okay, I hope my greenhouse doesn't blow over. But anyway, okay, you guys, let's just jump right into it. You planted your cucumber seeds and you're wondering, am I on track? What's going on? What should I be expecting? Okay, when you first plant your cucumber seeds, give them a few days. Some take a little bit longer than others. But what you want to look for is germination. When I say germination, you see, these are the cucumbers. Right there. And there. You see the seeds still on there? Yeah. And you want to get you some good potting mix or use whatever you have, you guys. I've learned cucumbers work fine in regular soil outside in your yard. So that's what you should have in about 5-6 days. Okay? Yeah, I hope you guys are blessed and safe. And if you're new to my channel, click like and subscribe, you guys. Don't forget to click the thumbs up, thumbs down, click something. Just don't give me the 2 fingers in the middle. I love you guys. You're the best. Hope you're safe. Thanks for being here. Okay, after that, you want to make sure. Now, I want to show you what legging is all about. You hear people saying your plants are legging. That's because they're not getting enough light. And I left this cup without light. And you see how long that cucumber grow? But all is not lost, okay? Because we can take it and make it work. Here's another one that is not legging. That's the cucumber here in the corner. I'm trying to hold this camera, y'all. The cucumber's right there. See? Now that's how you want your cucumber to come out of the ground, because it's sturdy and it's strong. And then after, wow, I'm so proud of this. This was planted on March 25th. Today is April 9th. And look at our cucumber. This is the Chicago pickling, and I don't want to damage it because the wind is really carrying on. Look at the Chicago pickling cucumber, you guys, right here. Look at that. Beautiful. Healthy, strong. Okay. Very good plant. Got real leaves. You know, these are the starter leaves. Look how big the starter leaves, y'all. And look how big the plant is from the fingertips. So, got a really good one here. We're going to take really good care of this baby. She's going to be something special. All right, you guys. That's what you should have after that. And then, now what? You just wait for it to grow. That's how you grow cucumbers. Cucumbers are not hard to grow, you guys. But I just wanted to give you a little time frame of what to expect. Just a quick video for you guys. I'm going to get from outside. I'm going to go get me some rest, get ready for work again tomorrow. I love you guys. I'm safe and sound. I'm being extra precautious. Thank you for all the love and prayers and thank yous. I really do appreciate it. I read everything you say. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, live, love, laugh. Go stop and eat it. Click like and subscribe. You guys are the best.